You're the last one. Complete the mission.
So here, my boys. Well, what's up? It's your boy XTremeXSkull, and welcome back, players, to another video and another recipe. And today we're gonna do tagliatelle with ricotta, spinach, and lemon. Some parmesan and garlic, obviously, and that's it. So without further ado, let's dive in head first. Make it quick. Pause. Let's dive in head first and see the ingredients that you need for this recipe. Flip it. So here you have some spinach. We have some spinach. Here you have about 850 grams of ricotta, 2 lemon. We're gonna use the juice and also the zest of these lemons. 10 cloves of garlic. This recipe is for 3 people, so it's not too much. 10 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna cut them small circles. I will show you at the end, my G's, how I'm going to cut these ones. Some parmareggio reggiano, grated, beautiful. Look at this. Beautiful parmareggio reggiano, grated. We're gonna use tagliatelle and some extra virgin olive oil. And the garlic. Those are all the ingredients, my G's. Have a look around. So spinach, parmareggio reggiano, lemon zest and lemon juice. We are going to use the whole shit. Between 800 to 850 of ricotta and 10 cloves of garlic. Salt and pepper and that stuff, it will go inside the shits. So let's start, my G's, the recipe. So now we're gonna start by putting the pan, the hot water, putting some extra virgin olive oil, and put our low flame, put our spinach inside the pot and leave them like this. Cover it up. And that's it for now. Now let's make our ricotta sauce. So now let's start by making the zest. I'm not going to show you, just scramble the shits with the shits and then do the zest. See you in a bit, my G's. So now, my boys, this one, we are going to put our garlic inside. I didn't find cut. I changed my mind and I didn't find cut. Here you have it. Now let's make them make love together and make some babies. You know. So now let me wash my hands and let me do the sauce. Because with the garlic, they are sticky. So now, here, let me cut our lemon. It's a big lemon. We might need 2 for the juice or 1.5. So we're gonna see. Let's come here. I also switched on the pasta water. Also, you need a mug for the pasta water, my G's. Don't forget it. So now, you open it, let me arrange it, let me set it, let me flip it. Okay. Then I need another lemon. Good. Okay. Let me bring the knife. Just a minute, my G's. I'm gonna cut the lemon. I used only one zest of the lemon because it was so big. This is the zest of one lemon that I'm going to do with the ricotta, but then we will show you later. Now I use the juice. Okay, that's good. No need for all of that. So I'm going to remove this. Okay. Let me put this into here. Put this. That's our sauce as well. Come here again, my G's. So now, here, we're gonna have our sauce. I think it's better you come from the other side, because I move like crazy. So we're gonna use our hands. Break the ricotta. You know. Put our zest. Put our lemon juice. Okay. Now we're gonna put our parmareggio, reggiano, just like that. Some olive oil. Some pepper. Where's my pepper? And that's it. Come here for here. And I'm going to mix it. You can put also some pasta water. You can put it also in the blender, my G's. Yeah, let's try some crazy shit. Let's try some crazy shit, my G's. Just a sec. Let me try some crazy ass shit. You bring this, and you need to come here again. Let me do some crazy ass shit. Put everything in the blender. Like that. For now. Okay, and let's rewind. Yep, it's getting creamier. Oh boy. You can add some pasta water as well, but pasta water is not done yet. So let's give it a mix, just a bit. Oh my god, yo. This one, you will put it at the end, by the way, yeah? By the end. That's it. Look at that. Creamy. Let me give you a demonstration. Let me bring a spoon. Let me show you. Creamy. Creamy. And look. Look how creamy it is. Bam. Fucking delicious. I will be back with you in a sec. Like this. See you. So now please, it's time to cook our pasta. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's it. Now, we're going to give it a mix so it will not get stuck. And we're going to leave it for 8 minutes. We're going to leave it for 7 because the last minute I want to continue cooking it with this spinach that we have here. Before we're going to throw the pasta away, the water away, we're going to save a cup of pasta water because we might need some water. This one, we're going to let it sit again. Oh baby. So now when the pasta will be done, I will show you how I'm going to mix everything. See you in a bit for now. Let me take this one and see you in a bit. Peace out. So here please, let's start putting our pasta in. Bam. And switch it off for now. And let's put our delicious. It came like a fucking dip, yo. You can use it as a fucking dip. Let me remove the blade. Let me clean our blade. Be careful, my G's, because she's sharp as fuck. So you have to be careful when you are playing with knives and blades like this. Like that. Now, come over here. Let me put some pasta water in. And switch on lightly just until we are mixing. And there you have it. There you have it. Ricotta pasta. Or ricotta lemon pasta, let's say that. Just mix it so the spinach will go everywhere. And that's it. So now let's serve and come for the final results, my dears. See you for the final results. So now, my boys, we are going to top it up with some fresh black pepper. We're gonna do some parmareggio on the top. And those are the final result of the ricotta lemon pasta. As you can see, beautiful.
Holy shit.
Lemon ricotta pasta. Let me have a drink. Let me do it again, the clap. So here players, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. That was pasta with ricotta and lemon. Hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and hit notification bell right down below so you see all my videos. Comment also down below cook next. Share my video to help your boy a lot. Thanks for watching. Am I going to see you next episode? Oh, for damn show. It's your boy XTremeXSkull. I'm up. Peace! Let's say it together. Bon appetito, bitch! Your boy is out, baby.
10 David to entry team. Your mission's complete. Good job. Head back to talk.